How this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm gonna show you if you have any problem, if your earpod you can't connect to your latest version of iPhone, that means iPhone 15, what you can do. Here I have iPhone 15. Suppose this phone is not detecting your earpod. When you open your earpod nearby, you will see some options, so you don't see anything. What to do in this case? It's not detecting your new earpod, nothing. So what to do? So sometimes happen if you have earpod that is connected with many other devices in your house. So you have to check your other iPhone. Here I have iPhone 14. So this earpod is connected with this one. So what we have to do, we have to go and delete this earpod from the older device. So how you can do that? You have to slide from this corner down, hold the Bluetooth option here, tap it, few second Bluetooth option, then go to setting option directly here of Bluetooth. All the devices are connected with the Bluetooth, so you have to delete. You see earpods, I touch this one, and you see here forget this device. You have to hit forget this device. The bottom appear forget device. Forget device is done. So you have to delete from other devices where his earpod is connected. Now it's clean. I close this, I leave here. Now we come back to our iPhone 15 and we will try one more time this earpods. I open it, you see immediately it appear not your earpod, that means a new earpod. Hit connect in this case. Now you have to press behind this button. The earpod is connected, you see continue, is done. So this is the way you can fix if you can't connect your earpod to your brand new iPhone 15, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.